Careful.
Here's the top. Oh, cool.
Oh, it's your favorite color.
Yeah.
Why don't you rip that front piece apart so you can see?
Okay. Apparently it's hard to see it. I like the wheels. And now let's check what's in my stocking. Oh, it's a tree.
Those are called Muddy Buddies.
Put that here. It's the best Christmas ever. Oh,
Is it?
Oh, no.
No, not really.
No, but it's a really good Christmas.
Why is it not the best Christmas ever?
Okay, it is actually the best Christmas ever.
Okay.
And now for some stuff.
Hey,
What?
there's one more present right there.
Where?
Right there in front of the tree.
Oh. I know, but this one was for Ryan, remember?
No. I already gave Ryan his present.
It's for me.
You
So
gotta like slide that band down.
oh, a vest.
No,
Oh,
it's
I
a
know.
jacket.
Jacket. A jacket. I like these kinds.
Let's try it on and see if it fits. You really need one.
I know.
Is it nice and toasty warm?
I'll trade the bike on it on. Bear make that Peter. I totally want to play Skylar's Walk Force right now.
I know you do. Okay, hang on.